Welcome back to the channel. Today we've got a quick video for you guys. We're in my son's bathroom and it gets really humid in here. And it's got this old school, normal steel painted AC vent. And I think we replaced it once about 5 or 6 years ago. And because it gets really humid in this little bathroom when he showers, it's got rust on it again. We're gonna replace it, but we're gonna replace it with one that will not rust anymore. This is what we're replacing it with. You can tell it's about the same, right? Let's see, can I zoom out? Yeah, there we go. And it should bolt up the same. We'll find out in a minute. And it looks all normal, just like a normal AC vent, but it's not metal. It is actually a white plastic. And this plastic will not fade, won't turn yellow, and it won't rust. And hopefully it'll give us years and years of life without ending up looking like that. So let's give it a shot. All you need is a screwdriver with a little hex head on it for those 2 screws. We got a regular old screwdriver that takes bits in it. And we've got our little cobalt toolkit, and these guys right here, they got the little hex head. We're gonna see which one fits. I think it's this bigger one right here. Pop those screws out, put the new vent in. Oh, we got toesies everywhere. Look at that, we got little dogs. What do you call them? Dogs? Hot dogs? What? If it's not going on, it's too small, man. Is it going on? Mm-hmm. Oh, you got it. Don't get it in your eyeballs. Come on, man, you got it. Put those muscles to good use. One screw's out. Other one's coming out. Oh, careful. Did it get in your mouth?
No.
No. How did it taste?
Fine.
Did it get in your eyes?
Yeah.
What if we put ketchup on it? That tastes. Oh, crusty stuff's coming down. Now, let's check to make sure the holes are the same width. Yep, they are. That's the same width-ish. Same width-ish. The plastic one's a little wider, but that's okay because I think the back side, yeah, the back side's, this part's the same, but the bezel that fits around the ceiling, a little wider, that's not a big deal. It'll still fit. All right, you ready? There we go. That is the new one. Looks perfect. Actually, I kind of like the way the wider bezel looks, and it's never gonna rust. And make sure when you put it on, see those middle vents, they're pointing like that direction. Make sure they're not pointing at the wall because that's not gonna do you any good. You want the air to point towards the middle of the room. But there we go. How do you think it looks, Ari?
Good.
Better than the old one?
Mm-hmm.
Do we want this one back up there?
No.
Come on, we should put this one back. What do you think? No? That one's better?
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, this looks like a haunted house. I hope that was helpful to you guys, and I'll put the link down in the description for the exact one that we use. We just got it off of Amazon. It was a couple bucks. And hopefully this one lasts much, much longer than the old one. Now that this one's on, I'm gonna go replace the ones in the other couple bathrooms because they're not totally rusted yet, but this looks better. And then we won't have to worry about it again. As always, love you guys. We'll see you next time.